So we are finally walking through the white sands of Palolem beach.
Considered one of the most beautiful beaches of the entire region, the beach attracts many international tourists. South Goa's most pristine beach, Palolem, not only has to offer beautiful palm-lined shoreline, boasting of unmatched vistas and unbelievable sunsets, but also a wide array of water activities, majestic quick gateways. This South Goa beach is dotted with picturesque beachside accommodations serving scrumptious delicacies at those dreamy seaside shacks. Magnificent Palolem beach is largely unspoiled.
This is the Goa that we were waiting for.
Incredible India forever!
Interestingly, if you stand at one end of the beach, you can easily trace to the other corner. Both ends consist of rocks jutting into the sea. In this episode, let's go over various facets of Palolem beach along with their costs where applicable. We will check how to reach Palolem, where to stay, various dining options, water activities. We will also do an early morning boat ride for dolphin spotting, and we will discuss Palolem's nearby gateways. So stay tuned. Alongside, we will also do an end-to-end beach walk. This video is also studded with some incredible drone shots of the Palolem beach, so watch this video till the very end. Palolem beach is located at Kankona town in southern Goa, some 50 kilometers south of Dabolim airport. Taxi fare to Palolem is roughly 2,500 rupees from Dabolim airport for a sedan. Also, one can reach Palolem from the nearest railway station at Madgaon, which is roughly 40 kilometers. There is bus service every 30 minutes from Madgaon KTC bus depot to Kankona. However, scooty and self-driven cars are most popular, economic as well as flexible option to reach Palolem.
I'm driving in Goa for the first time.
300 meters, turn left.
Road conditions are excellent.
If driving down from North Goa, take NH66. Rental car runs you approximately 1500 rupees per day during peak season. The peak season roughly is from mid-November to mid of March. The entire crescent stretch of Palolem beach is dotted with the beach-facing huts. We had 2 nights booked at the High Tide Beach Resort. We had an amazing experience there. The rooms are really cozy with some of them having amazing balcony view.
When you are in Palolem, experience this place. So यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे partial sea view cottages हैं, but ऊपर जो हैं, those are the sea view cottages जिसमें हम लोग ठहरे हैं. Guys, let us give you a tour. So this one is top one, and it's pretty basic, pretty simple, and the view is just awesome. I don't have words. There is a bathroom with most of the facilities, basin, kind of very basic. There is even an AC, so that's the best part. Nothing beats this view. The view is just awesome.
The tariff for us was 4,500 rupees per night as we booked in advance. We witnessed the sunset from our balcony.
Now we have an amazing sunset which cannot be described in words. Excellent experience. Can't wait to get on to the fun. So we are finally walking through the white sands of Palolem beach. Beachside huts है, यहाँ से start करके all the way it goes to the end of the beach.
There are several restaurants in Palolem, but I guess the beachside shacks, mostly owned by the beach-facing hotels, have some great dining options. Here I tried the cashew feni. It's really good. At high tide, I'm with Arjun,
Yes,
AJ.
Yes, sir.
Some amazing fresh seafood. Live prep, right?
Yeah, live.
So
Yeah,
fresh.
fresh.
Yeah, so fresh.
Fresh.
Wow. Excellent assortment of fish, right?
Yes.
Thanks, Arjun.
Yes, thank you, sir.
It was now time to have dinner by the beach. We enjoyed our food at High Tide's shack during our stay.
And free. Now nothing can take you away from me. We've been down that road before.
When you are in the town for souvenirs, try the delicacies from the famous German bakery.
We're at German Bakery.
And this one is one of their customer favorite
Coffee cream cake.
coffee cream cake, and now you are bringing
Bunny Pie. Our special one. Jerome Bakery special Bunny Pie.
The morning view at Palolem was just like a dream. Palolem beach is famous for its water activities. Kayaks are most popular. They are available for booking at the several kiosks along the beach. The rates are more or less standard. For instance, the kayak rentals are roughly 200 rupees for an hour with some basic instructions. Some of these kiosks are quite popular. One of them is Samson. Finally get to meet Samson. Thank you. See you. Bye. There is also a boat trip option for dolphin spotting. Additionally, this boat also goes to Butterfly Beach and sails around Monkey Island. Dolphin spotting is a great experience which cannot be missed in my honest opinion. Best time for this trip to spot dolphins is during early morning hours. So guys, it's the best time to be in the morning. You get ultimate chance to see the dolphins, as they said. Yeah, just unbelievable experience. पीछे देखो dolphins.
Dolphins are 25 miles per hour.
25.
Yes.
Look at them. Do you see them?
Yeah.
Oh my God, कितना fast दिख रहा है. Oh my God. Oh. Turtle rock. It looks like a turtle.
We're at
यहाँ पे
Butterfly
मीट किए बाला पागी साहब को.
सीजन आया ना, और टूरिज्म को लोगों को ऐसा घुमाने का काम करता है.
हाँ.
वैसा
तो
है.
ये बटरफ्लाई बीच, इसका नाम क्यों आया?
ये बटरफ्लाई बीच ऐसा नाम आया कि इधर का दोनों साइड से ये हिल है ना.
हाँ, ये
ये दोनों साइड से ऊपर होता है, वो बटरफ्लाई फ्लाइंग करता है जैसा लग रहा है लोग.
You get 30 minutes to wait at the butterfly beach. Complete trip आपको 90 minutes लगेगा. My recommendations for Palolem's nearby gateways would be CaboDeRama Fort, Sadolxem Bridge and Kola Beach. हम लोग CaboDeRama Fort पहुंच गए. The moment you enter, right after entering, you just have to make a little bit of an entry like at the security. You read a bit of the history. So till 1763, CaboDeRama Fort was held by the Sunda kings, Indian kings basically, and subsequently it was seized by the Portuguese. Inside CaboDeRama Fort is the Capilla di San Antonio, a chapel which is still in use. This is the most marquee place in the CaboDeRama Fort. To the top of the fort, one could see those amazing views of the Arabian Sea. वहाँ ऊपर तक जाएंगे. Cliffs drop steeply to the sea at the western side of the fort, which overlooks the entire length of Kanakona stretch.
When you are in South Goa, you just cannot miss this spot. Now, starting for Sadolxem Bridge.
Our drive was amazing through lush greenery and a sight to behold. This bright blue colored bridge is one of a kind in Goa. ये खूबसूरत सा ब्रिज तालपोना नदी के ऊपर बनाया गया है, जहाँ से बैकवाटर्स और मैंग्रोव का दिल खुश कर देने वाला नज़ारा मिलता है.
Welcome to Sadolxem Bridge.
Our next stop was at Kola Beach, arguably the best hidden gem of South Goa. At Kola Beach, there is a 2-kilometer hike which is not very easy, to be honest. I much preferred the shared jeep ride from the point you park the car.
The only thing, the car when you're coming back, no?
Yeah.
It will skid.
But this arduous road to Kola Beach is what's kept Kola Beach a serene, clean and pristine hidden oasis.
The views are mesmerizing, guys.
Walk to the unique point where the river pours out into Kola Beach. This point is called the Blue Lagoon.
Pristine, it's secluded, you almost have the beach to yourself. मेरा हड्डी वड्डी नहीं टूटेगा ना?
I really appreciate that bumpy ride.
वो बाइक का भी एक्सपीरियंस हो गया, guys. Thank you so much. Came to this Goan masala restaurant on our way back to Palolem. No, we are going to Palolem. Yeah.
At the Palolem, I decided to walk the full stretch of the beach from end to end.
So this is like the western end, or how would I put it, like the left end of the Palolem beach, and it's a complete crescent. So let's take a walk all the way. From the staircase you can go all the way up. And right there you have Monkey Island and the cliff. And this is the extreme right side end.
I came all the way to the eastern side where there is a stream meeting the sea and the rock with the picture of the jaws.
So yeah, this is the extreme right side end of the Palolem beach.
Beautiful Palolem beach is peaceful and magnificent. To rekindle happiness in things that are simple, you cannot get wrong with a few days at this amazing tropical paradise.